Good morning, children. Hope you are all doing well. Now, coming back to the topic, again we are sending video classes to you. Now, first, today's topic is about sentences. Sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete meaning. Complete meaning. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete meaning. Without any meaning, it can't be called as a sentence. For example, in born Mumbai was Sachin. This is the jumbled sentence. We don't have any meaning at all. So in order to make a sentence, we have to write it in a correct way. Sachin was born in Mumbai. It is a meaningful sentence and is called as a sentence. Sachin was born in Mumbai. Like this, coming back to the next sentence, is Master Sachin also blaster called? This is also a jumbled sentence. We don't find any meaning in it. So, to find out the meaning, we have to write in a correct way. Sachin is also called Master Blaster. Sachin is also called Master Blaster. Then we got the meaningful sentence. So it like these sentences, if you write, this is called a sentence. A group of words that express a complete meaning. If you write in a correct way and you give complete sense, that is sense, that sentence is called as a sentence. Okay. Now let us learn about kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences we find here? Four kinds. What are they? Assertive or declarative sentences. Next, second one is interrogative sentences. Third one is imperative sentences. Fourth one is exclamatory sentences. We find here four types of sentences. How many types of sentences, children? We find four types of sentences. First one is assertive or declarative sentences. Second one is interrogative sentences. Third one is imperative sentences. Fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Now let us know about in detail. First one is assertive or declarative sentences. We call as assertive or declarative sentences. In assertive sentences, we have two types. First one is we call as affirmative sentence. Affirmative is nothing but positive sentence. Second one is negative sentence. Second one is negative sentence. First one, affirmative sentence, is nothing but positive sentence. Second one is negative sentence. In negative sentence, we have negative things: no, not, nothing, never, etc. Okay. Now coming back to the assertive sentence, let us know about some examples. Assertive or declarative sentences, and we will nothing. Assertive is also known as declarative sentence. Now we will find some examples here. Tom goes to school daily. What type of sentence is this? It is a positive sentence. Is also called as affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence we can call as a positive sentence. Tom goes to school daily. It is a statement. So Tom does not go to school daily. We find here negative sentence. This sentence is called as negative sentence. In negative sentence we find no, not, nothing, never, etc. So we'll call as a negative sentence. In assertive sentences we find two types. What are they? Affirmative sentence is nothing but positive sentence. Second one is negative sentence. In this we find no, not, nothing, never, none, so many. If it is a negative, we will call as a negative sentence. Example, Tom goes to school daily. It is a positive sentence. It is a positive statement. Tom does not go to school daily. It is a negative sentence. Now coming back to the second one is interrogative sentences. What is the meaning of interrogative sentence? Is nothing but a question mark. Asking questions. These sentences ask questions. Interrogative sentence is nothing but asking questions, and it ends with the question mark. These sentences must have question mark at the end starting question word. What are they? Let us see the examples. Are you playing in the match? Are you playing in the match? Question mark. It is called as a, we can identify as a interrogative sentence because ending is question mark, so we'll call as a interrogative sentence. Where are you from? Again, see, question word and the question mark ends with the question mark. This type of sentences are called as interrogative sentences. Now third one is imperative sentences. What is the meaning of imperative? These sentences express orders, request and advice. This type will find in imperative sentences giving orders, asking request, giving advice. Like this type of sentences we called as imperative sentences. Let us know, for example, please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. We are asking request. In request way we are asking. This type of sentences are called imperative sentences. Don't smoke here. We are giving orders or we are giving advice. Don't smoke here. We are giving orders to the person. Don't smoke here. These type of sentences are called imperative sentences. Imperative sentences is nothing but expressing orders, asking request or giving advices. These sentences are called as imperative sentences. Now the fourth and last one is exclamatory sentences. What are exclamatory sentences? These sentences express strong or sudden feelings. These are all the feelings. Strong, expressing strong or sudden feelings. These sentences must contain exclamatory mark. These sentences, whenever we write the sentences, it ends with the exclamatory mark. Unless we write exclamatory mark, these sentences is not called as exclamatory sentence. And in the sentence we must find strong or sudden feelings, then only these sentences are called as exclamatory sentences. These sentences mainly contain hooray, alas, wow, what, how, etc. In these sentences we generally find all these words, and these words ends with the exclamatory mark. When you are writing exclamatory mark for these words, then these words are called as a exclamatory sentences. So for example, let us know about some examples. How big it is. See, exclamatory is given, no, exclamatory mark is given at the end. So then this type of sentence is called as exclamatory sentences. What a beautiful picture. What a beautiful picture, exclamatory mark. So when in these sentences we have to write exclamatory mark, then only these type sentences are called as exclamatory sentences. Let us know about the overview. What is this one? Let us know about the four types of sentences in a glimpse. Assertive or declarative sentences. These sentences we must have positive or negative. Sentences must be positive or negative statements. In assertive or declarative, we can both call assertive or declarative sentence. Sentence must be positive or negative. Next, second one is interrogative sentences. Must have question mark. We must have question mark at the ending for the interrogative. Then it is called as a interrogative sentences. Third one is imperative sentences. In imperative sentences we express orders, request and advice. Fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Must contain exclamatory mark. Then only it is called as a exclamatory sentence. Now let us practice some sentences. These, what are these called? Fetch a glass of water. Fetch a glass of water. Unless we practice some sentences, we cannot get some confidence in this. So let us go for the practice. Fetch a glass of water. First option is, options are given, we have to choose the correct one. Imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, Assertive. Fetch a glass of water. What type of sentence is it? It is a statement. It is an given giving. Fetch a glass of water. Give me some water. We are asking. So this type of sentence is called imperative sentences. What a noise they are making. What a noise they are making. We are having exclamatory mark at the end. So, what type of sentence is it? What are the options here? Imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, and etc. What type of sentence? Exclamatory mark is given. So, this one is called as a exclamatory sentence. Now, coming to the third sentence. Are you playing in the match? What type of sentence is this? Imperative, interrogative, or exclamatory? So this one here, are you playing in the match? It is a question mark. So, and last one is interrogative, and this type of sentence is called as interrogative sentence. Alas, we have lost the match! Exclamatory mark. Alas, see, exclamatory mark is given. So, what type of sentence is it? Imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. So, what type of sentence this one? This is exclamatory sentence, because we have sudden surprise. We have lost the match. It is a feelings we are expressing. So, it is exclamatory sentence. Fifth one is she does not care for anyone. She does not care for anyone. It is a statement. What is this one? Options are imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, assertive. So this is a statement. Simple state. Does not care for anyone. It is a negative sentence and is called as a assertive sentence. If you ask anything extra, she does not care for anyone. It is called an assertive sentence. The boys were enjoying themselves. The boys were enjoying themselves. It is also assertive sentence. Imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, and assertive. It is also called as assertive sentence. Seventh one is the river is full of fish. What type of sentence is imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, assertive? So it is a statement. So it is called as a assertive sentence. He has never told a lie. He has never told a lie. Imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, assertive. So what type of sentence this one? It is an assertive sentence. Don't go there. Don't go there. We are giving an order. We are giving an order. What type of sentence this one? Imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, or assertive. So it is called as imperative sentence. We are giving advice. We are giving order. Don't go there. It is very dangerous place. So it is an imperative sentence. Eat only boiled vegetables. Eat only boiled vegetables. This one options are imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, assertive. So what type of sentences are these? Huh? Imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, assertive. So this type of sentence is only also called as assertive sentence. What is called? Assertive sentence.